Okay guys, I've had quite a busy day today. Obviously I've been out looking at venues and then I've just been doing the various trades on request to keep you occupied. Now, it's 7:20. Obviously we're going to camera soon. But I just thought I'd carry on what I did the other week where I said you can trade around a day job. So let me show you something. You've got to kind of pick your market as well. This has been on a merry run today, which we know about, which is here. And it's still got signs in it, okay? So you've kind of got to be a little bit careful with it because it's the end of the night and it could well just retrace against this. But let's have a look at what the bias has had to say about it, because I've just marked it out. So you're neutral against a buy. So automatically you're conservative with your targets, which is what I'm pulling at. Told me to wait. It's just gone 20 past. So I'm going to kind of have a revaluation of this. And it was waiting and it's telling me to buy it. Okay. So what can we see? Well, if I just drop this back to 15 minutes, up, still got plenty of room here. Got plenty of room up into there. Take it down into 5 mins. And okay, so it's 26. There's a good, if I just want 10 pips out of this, and I just go pop, just like that. Alright. You'll think he's gone mad. He's just dropped a trade in straight away, but the MACD is pushing down. And this is pushing down. Yeah, you're right, I am. But everything else is telling me that it's going up. What you got to remember with these things, they're lagging. And I'm looking at the last few candles back over on itself. Okay. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. None of them has shown signs to the downside. That was indecision. And it broke out the top of this section, which is what I'm looking at. So what do we know about levels? We know it'll test them. So it's probably, if it's come this far, it's going to have a go bouncing off that. So if I look for 10 pips, which is kind of bang in the middle, it's quite a safe trade, to be honest. It's not really difficult. I mean, I showed you the DAX earlier on. I told you what was going to happen with it. And I did very well with it. I did it here. And I also carried out, got another account that I trade DAX on. This is an account that I keep for myself. That was the DAX as well. Sorted. Okay. So just get that out the way. Okay. That's popping up. We only want 50 quid. Now if it runs down to here, there's a high probability it can bounce back. So where's it going to bounce off? Well, let's go back out to the hour and we'll have a little look. So if it's coming back, well, get our old friend out. Kabush. Move the blue lines around a little bit. It's coming to here. It's coming to here. And look where the 50 is, boys and girls. Bounce point. Coming here as well. So I can stage into this quite well. So I'm seeing the velocity here. I can see the general direction here. This is where I get my trade ideas from. Look down here to see what the situation is. 15 confirms. Whoosh, whoosh. Up. Job's done. It's just cashed out. And kind of lost what my thread there. Whoosh, whoosh. So the Bollinger Bands up. That's up. This is stretch, so I've got to be careful. So that's why I was looking at that level. And then the 5 is simply just an entry. And what's it done? Bounced straight off the level that I was just talking about. But within, it's now 4 minutes, 24 minutes past 7. 50 quid. trading is not hard once you've worked it out. Everything I do is based on homework. I don't go on a whim. I just go in and I get it done. It's that simple. And I do it day in, day out. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I should change my career. I don't know. Become just a coffee connoisseur or something like that. If you know what you're looking for, trading's a piece of piss. Catch you in a bit.